Good morning students. In previous period we start the new chapter which were birds. In this we learn about the body parts of the bird. What types of parts they are having: beak, then ear, they are not having the external ear, then their limbs, then wings. These are the parts of the bird. Then how they fly in the sky. Their bones are hollow. Due to that they can easily fly in the sky. Shape of their body that helps them to fly in the sky. So in today's period we discuss about the beaks of the bird. Students, you know we are having the teeth. हमें teeth होते हैं. Are birds are having the teeth? No. Birds को होते हैं क्या teeth? नहीं होते हैं. Then how they eat their food? कैसे खाना खाते हैं? With the help of teeth we eat. But how the birds eat the food? How they take their food? They take their food with the help of beak. वो beak के help से अपना food लेते हैं. See students, birds do not have teeth. With the help of beak they eat the food. Now their size and shape of the beak depends on what? उनकी beaks. If you observe the different types of bird, अगर आपने आजू बाजू में दिखने वाले बहुत सारे birds को observe किया होगा तो see students, all are having the same type of beak. सबकी beak एक जैसे होती है? No, they are in different size, different shape also. See, if you observe the parrot, if you observe the sparrow, if you observe the hummingbird or pelican or toucan, then so many birds you are observing. So different birds are having the different types of beak. According to what? According to food they eat. What type of food the birds eat? It depends on the shape and size of that beak. उनकी जो beak होती है वो किस पे डिपेंड होती है? वो कौन से टाइप का खाना खाते हैं? Are they eating the other flesh of other animals? क्या वो दूसरे एनिमल्स को मार के उनका फ्लेश खाते हैं? या are they eat the insects? Are they eat the seeds or grains? According to that, their size of the beak are depends their size and shape of the beak depends on what type of food they eat. Get it? So let's start which type of beaks, different types of beaks in the different birds.
Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds have long and straw-like beak. They mainly feed on nectar. Pigeons. Pigeons have small, short beak. Mainly they eat seeds. Parrots. Parrots have strong and curved beak. They eat fruits and seeds. Sparrow. Sparrows have small and short beak. They eat seeds, tenders, plants and insects. Then another one is duck. Duck is a water bird. They have broad and flat beak. They eat worms and plants present in the water. Toucans. Toucans live on trees in rainforest. They eat fruits. Toucans have broad, strong, long beak. They eat fruits. Pelicans. Pelicans have broad, long and pointed beak with a pouch. They eat fish. Eagles. Eagles are strong, sharp and hook beak. They eat snakes, rabbits and mice. Then peacock. Peacocks have sharp, strong and pointed beak. They eat garden lizards, frogs, leaves and seeds. That's all about the today's topic, that is the. Have a great day. Bye students.